Are you ready to make your money work for you, but don't know where to start? Today we're going to cover the basics of investing so you can begin building wealth from the ground up. Investing for beginners. Build wealth today. Whether you have $50 or $5,000 to start with, anyone can begin investing today. What is investing? Investing means putting money into assets that can generate returns over time, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. The goal is to have your money grow faster than inflation over time. Different types of investments. Stocks ownership in a company. Companies like Apple or Tesla can provide returns over time. Bonds, lending money to governments or corporations for a steady interest rate. Real estate, investing in property for rental income or value appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs, grouping stocks and bonds together for diversification. So how do you start? Well, there are simple platforms like Robinhood, eTrade, or Vanguard that are perfect for beginners. It's important to start small and learn as you go. Even if it's just $50 a month, consistent investing builds wealth over time. Now let's talk about risk management. Diversify your portfolio across multiple assets to reduce risk. Never put all your eggs in one basket. It's about balancing risk and reward. To sum it up, investing is all about putting your money to work for you and growing your wealth over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial tips.